Do you want to know what to see when you visit Stirling so you don't miss out on anything? Well, today's vlog is all about that. Hi guys, I'm Sean Brett and this is my travel life. Stirling is beautiful, but there is a town that you must visit when you see Stirling, and that is the Bridge of Allan. While there, we visited this cafe called The Friend of Mine, and it is a brilliant cafe, and the food there, well, check it out yourself. It is brilliant. That was what I had. Mouth-watering. I'm gonna end up going back there because it was a brilliant cafe. The one thing that was disappointing in the Bridge of Allan was the Bridge of Allan. Like, if you're gonna name a whole town after a bridge, it should be a good bridge. It was a very boring bridge. Got a good drone shot of it though. We left the Bridge of Allan and headed off to the Wallace Monument, which is the perfect place for the view of Stirling. I highly recommend going there and just looking off the monument at the view of Stirling. It just shows you how beautiful it is. And you can see why it once was the capital, because it's like a mini version of Edinburgh. There was two things that I was disappointed about when it came to the monument. The first thing being no drones. This amazing view off the top of Stirling, and I wasn't allowed to fly my drone to get the best pictures. It was a little bit sad. But for most of you guys, that wouldn't be a problem. And the second problem was, there is a massive hill. And to make the situation worse, when we arrived back down the bottom of the hill, we realised that there was a shuttle bus that could take you up. To be fair, as much as it is a slope like this, it's a nice walk. Nearly there. After seeing all the roofs in Stirling, we decided to head to the town and see all the views from the ground. There we found a bakery. This bakery had the biggest selection of the biggest cakes and sausage rolls and pies. We ended up with this cake, and I remember it was like this slice, and it was huge.
Is that good, eh?
We We continued our walk and saw some of the old buildings and the history.
Well, I was going to say, another hill. I was literally going, oh, I'm walking up a hill. And you just, like, literally just cut it like another hill. Yeah, fair enough. That kind of explains what I was going to do on the camera. Moan about the hills.
My calves are so sore.
Every film, there's always like on top of a graveyard looking out at the graveyard on a hill.
We decided not to go into the castle because it was £14 per person, and at that time we didn't have our historic membership cards, which we do now, so I probably will go back and visit the castle at some point. I hope this video helped you find some great places for you when you visit Stirling. Thanks again for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.